All right, take a look at the Hakko CHP micro cutters. Okay. So we do got a 5-pack here, and the first thing I can say right off the bat is that they do have a very nice rubber grip on them, which is something you don't get with all flush cutters. And the jaw is aligned very well, which is very important because not all of them are like that. They do not have wiggle in them, so I don't have to worry about that slipping. And they do have a spring, so I don't have to like force these things apart. They just kind of open up on their own. They got all kinds of crazy labeling and stuff on there that nobody really cares about, but it does make it look a little bit more professional. So here I got some 10-gauge wires for this cable, so I'm going to see how well it cuts this. Yeah, cuts it no problem, as expected. It says this is for 16-gauge wire, but I mean, honestly, you can cut thicker stuff than that. Now, I am definitely using these for things that they're not designed for, but it really just goes to show the versatility of something like this. What I most use these for, if I was to use some regular dikes to cut off the end of a zip tie, you can see that little tip right there that will definitely be scraping you up anytime that you brush by it. So with this, you can cut that off, and now that is a nice flush cut. Much better. Now in my tool patch, I always keep something like this just because I always want to have something I can use to like cut a screw down or something like that. You don't want to use this for that, but for doing any kind of precision work where you need to like snip pins on a board or something like that, 10 times out of 10, I'm going to reach for this. So yeah, great cutters, and the fact that I got a 5-pack in here means this is going to last a very long time.